Hi guys, so today we solve the problem of pair with certain difference. Very good problem and very frequently asked question in the interviews. So the problem says that given an array of integers and a number k, the task is find maximum pair sum with the following conditions, and the condition is only three. The first condition is pair difference should be less than k, which means when we have to subtract this two values and the pair of values, then our values, and that means after the subtractions we can get the less than of k, not more than of k. That is the first condition. The second condition is pair should be disjoint. For the example, if x and y is a result pair, then never x or nor y should appear in any other result, which means unique pair always be found to the sum, not anytime if I use the three if first pairs, then I will never use the three with the second pair, the different pair, another pair. That's the second option. That's the second point. The third point is sum of p pairs means sum of 2p element in the result, which means we just have to sum of 2p, which means two particles, two pairs, right? Then we are just, if no value pair can form, then return 0. If formed, return the value. If not formed, return 0. That's the point. That's the 3 points in that problem. Now I just come on the examples. The what is the examples? The first one is a 3 5 10, right? And if firstly what we have to do, if we can do, then our always comes in our mind, like we just have to find the minimum difference, and that means k difference. And the k difference, then there is multiple approach, but the best and the optimal approach is I just have to sort this. After the sorting, we have to get the all sorting elements in the found value like this, and then I just sort it out. After that, 3 5 9 10 12 15 and 17. This is our formed value, right? So now if I can see this, like after the sorting we can analyze the pair difference. We can easily to analyze the pair difference of what is the pair difference of this value, right? So what we can do, firstly we can sort this value. After the sorting, I just have to calculate the subtractions value, and the subtractions is less than of k. I found the following answer, right? I just come here and comment it out. Now just come on the code, and the simple is int n is equal to array dot size, right? And then sort the value array dot begin and array dot end, right? Now after the array dot begin, array dot end, now I just have to calculate the sorting value. I just have to calculate the values of sorting, right? Now I just have to take the int I is equal to n minus 1, and then int answer is equal to 0. Now while I just have to calculate the values while, right, and I greater than is equal to 0, right? So here I just have to calculate the value, which means if array of I minus array of I minus 1 is greater than is equal to of k, then we can always to answer plus is equal to array of I plus array of I minus 1, right? This one. And after that I just have to do the thing is, and also I minus is equal to 2y. If we can found the correct pairs, then I just have to skip this 2. Why? Because of this condition, right? Because of these conditions we just have to increase the count, that means go to the after the two values, and else if not, then I plus plus and nothing here. and then return the answer. Now check. Yeah, so what is the problem? So the problem is definitely to understand. Think this is now yes, and try to submit. So yes, it will submit. So guys, you will definitely understand the problem and the problems. What is the time complexity of this problem? So order of n log n. Why? N is our dish and log n is our the sorting. N log n is the sorting values, right? So this is so now I hope you will definitely understand the full of concept. So please try to solve yourself, understand the problem, and then please comment it out if you have another approach. Thank you so much.